During this video, we will look at how students can find their degree maps, key elements of those degree maps, and how to add courses from their degree map to their degree plan. In order to find your degree map, students should start on one.iu.edu and make sure they are logged in. In the search bar, type iGPS, which stands for your Interactive Graduation Planning System. Select Degree Map Search. You should see a screen with a degree map search and an option to select your campus. First, select your campus. Then students should select the school where they will receive their degree. For example, if you are a social work major, you will select the School of Social Work. Then click Search to see all the possible degrees granted by the School of Social Work. Each major can have more than one degree map, and you will want to select the correct one that correlates with your start term date. For example, if you started during the fall of 2015, you will want to select the map next to fall 2015 and beyond by clicking View on the far right. Now you will see the degree map for your major. This is the degree map for social work. To make this your default map, select Plan from this map. You can always change this in the future if you change your major. Each degree map is separated by year, as well as fall and spring semester. Each section contains suggested courses. It is very important to note that some courses are labeled critical courses with a red exclamation mark. This means your department has deemed it important for these particular courses to be taken in these semesters. You may also know that milestones are marked, which means that certain conditions or activities need to be completed by this point in your program. You should also be aware of courses you have already taken, which can be checked in your AAR, or Academic Advising Record. From here, you can add courses from your degree map into your degree plan. Your degree map is generic to all students in this major, but your degree plan is where you can customize it to make it your own. When you add courses from your degree map into your degree plan, you can do this by adding them individually or adding an entire semester. For example, if you see an entire semester laid out in the degree map and you want or need to take all of those courses, you can add the entire term to your plan by selecting Add Term to Plan and choosing the correct semester. You may need to take courses on a more individual basis, depending on what you already have credit for. For example, in one semester you may need to take this baccalaureate requirement for professional writing skills and the major requirement for foundational computer courses. And that's fine, you just add them individually into the same semester. You can click Add next to those courses and select the semester you would like to take them. It is important to note that some courses only have one class option. For example, there is only one class that satisfies this baccalaureate requirement for professional writing skills, and that's English W231. Whereas any elective course down here has multiple options. At this point, you are just adding the elective course to your plan, and during the next stage, you will narrow it down to the exact course you would like to take. After you have added courses, go to your plan by selecting Plan at the top of the page. More information about degree plans can be found in the Degree Plans video.